Hello friends. So this Gujarat tour, first we have visited to Somnath temple, Dwarkadish temple, Bet Dwarka and Nageshwar Jyotirlinga temple. From there we have landed in Bhuj. Now we are traveling from Bhuj to Kala Dongar on the Black Hills. It is said that Kala Dongar, that there is some magnetic force. That is if you stop the engine of the car or bus, it will automatically go backwards. So this is the journey towards Kala Dongar. Now the distance of Kala Dongar from Bhuj is 90 kilometers. We have entered into the handicraft village, Gujarati handicraft village. You can see a beautiful handicrafts of Gujarat. Now we have entered into the Kala Dongar. This is the first point of Kala Dongar. Now here you can get Gujarati traditional dresses, pagdi, and can have few photo shots. We are taking here few photo shots on with pagdi. This is the highest point of Kala Dongar. Is a beautiful place. All the people are enjoying with the colorful pagdis. Hello. Happy enjoying here today. This place is very much near to Pakistan border. You can see the surroundings. Now going to the peak point of Kala Dongar. Now this is the peak point of Kala Dongar. From here you can watch Kutch also. Now from Kala Dongar we are traveling right. Some more people also traveling along with us. So these two girls, they are sisters. They are also enjoying. We made them to be very happy. And the guy is from Kurnool. And driver also kept this song and we made the environment very nice, cool. Journey is beautiful. You can see the outside also journey. So it's a beautiful journey. Now you can see the sunset point also here. Now this white run of Kutch is 85 kilometers from Bhuj. Let me tell you one important thing. Please keep photo ID and pass because it is very much near to Indo-Pak border. Till July and August the run of Kutch is full of water. Now you can see here the tent city. Nice journey of tent city. Now after this you can see the hut city. It's also called Bugga in Hindi. It is very costly. The staying at tent city and Bugga is very costly. Rather than you can stay at Bhuj and take a car for rent. It's damn cheap. Per head it will be around 800-900 only. If you stay in Bugga or tent city, it is 15,000. Now you can see here full moon. That's the advantage of this full moon day. Full moon day, when you travel, you'll find moon and sun at a time. See the tent city. It's a beautiful located city. Now welcoming to our desert, white desert. Sunset point you can watch. Now finally we have landed to the Kutch, run of Kutch, white desert. It's a sunset point. We are capturing with our camera the sunset. Till July and August the run of Kutch is full of water. Once the water goes back, then only salt is left out. It is the biggest desert of white salt in the world. The best time to go to run of Kutch is November and March. And if possible, try to go on full moon day, that is on Purnima. Now we are traveling on Bullock camel cart. It's a beautiful journey. It's a unique experience traveling on Bullock camel cart. Bullock cart we have seen, and camel riding, horse riding, but Bullock cart riding is different. And it's around 3 to 4 kilometers, reaching to the peak point of Run of Kutch. Please try to visit on full moon day. The benefit of going on full moon day is that you can see sun and moon both at a time. So traveling on camel cart. See the environment, it's Run of Kutch, all the people are walking. The area of Run of Kutch is 7,500 square kilometers. We have reached to the top point of Run of Kutch. So from there you can see the environment, parking, and all the people are finding like small ants. See the Run of Kutch, this is 7,500 square meters. And full moon. A holy atmosphere and a kind of festival atmosphere we are finding here. All the people are enjoying on the top, taking the selfies, photographs, videos, and memorizing the beautiful never come back days in their phones and cameras. See the moon and see the downside of the earth also. It's full of salt. You will not find any tree, house, nothing. Only simply you will find white desert. It's a December month. We are enjoying the weather also. It's cool. Hi. So from the top we can see the downside. So downside some classical Gujarati folk songs, folk dances are going on. We can hear the sound and enjoying on the top. The top side there is a lot of heavy rush. We stayed for some time on the top and seen all the corners of Run of Kutch. All are busy with their photo clicks. Feeling a little bit cool, but bright weather, nice weather this is. November, December, January, February. 4 months are comfortable days to visit Run of Kutch. We are walking on the Run of Kutch and we are just enjoying school. Nice weather. This is awesome atmosphere. See the moon. I sat for some time and doing meditation, and my husband was cracking jokes, and I just opened my mouth and opened eyes and enjoying the weather. He told me to do some havan or something, so that also I'm doing it. Doing havan and enjoying this light movement. Suddenly we have seen the salt. It's totally salt area. It's in the stone form, but I'm trying to pick few salt bits. Shocked and surprised to see the salt. Entire area is filled with salt. Oh, that's really nice. See the salt? Can you find such environment anywhere? Nowhere in India, nowhere in the world, in fact. So that's the speciality of Kutch. Yes. See the salt? We'll inform to Tata Salt and some other companies to pick up the salt from here. Very nice weather this is. Kutch nahi dekha to kuch nahi dekha, as said by brand ambassador Big B. Yes, we have seen the Kutch. We are enjoying the full night Kutch. It's a beautiful environment, memorizing in our long-term memory. There's no replay button for such kind of days. Just feel it and enjoy it. Picking up few more salt and enjoying this salt by watching it surprised and shocked. Now finally we have come to the shopping center. Very beautiful shops are there. Lot of items are available. So we are refreshing ourselves and ending up our trip with a few snacks. And you can find a beautiful environment, some beautiful songs, music is going on. And we are having some dabli here and enjoying the weather. So it's a beautiful Kutch experience I'm sharing with you. Please visit once in a life. Bye. Take care.